In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share a WhatsApp group link to someone. Now, if you want to invite someone to a WhatsApp group, the easiest and most effective way is to simply share the group link to them. To do this, you just want to head to the group. Tap right here to access the group info. Now you want to navigate to invite via group link. Head to it. Here you have numerous options on how to share the group link. To send them the link as a WhatsApp message, tap on this very first option. Search for their name and tap on send. The invite will get sent to their WhatsApp. Now when they open, it directly takes them to the group, and by that they also became members of the group. You can also copy the group link to Clipboard and share it to other socials. Well, that's how easy it is to share WhatsApp group link to someone else to join. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.